Wanna know what we say in the club? Hey, baby. White folks, gangsters in the dub. Hey, baby. Stunning with a stack of them dubs. Hey, baby. Riding in the lack with a move. Hey, baby. I'm in the club, hollering. Hey, baby.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker, and today I am back with another wig review. This video is sponsored by Divatress.com. Thank you guys so much for sending over this amazing wig. If you are new to my channel, then you're definitely going to want to subscribe. I do a lot of different hair reviews like this one, affordable hair reviews. I also do human hair reviews. I do makeup reviews, all these types of things. So if you like those kinds of videos, definitely make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and turn on that post notification so you don't miss out on any new beautiful wigs that I have come to slay. And if you're not already, make sure that you are also following me on my Instagram account so you can look at beautiful pictures of hair like this. And of course, follow me on Snapchat so you can see what I'm doing in my everyday life. Without further ado, let's get into this review. Alright you guys, so let's get into this wig. So this is the Harmony wig 116, and this is in the color 1. And this is by Milkyway. So here it is in the packaging. And of course, this was sent to me by Divatress.com. So thank you, Divatress, for this amazing wig. This is what it looks like on the model. So I already feel in my heart, I feel it in my spirit that this is gonna be extra bomb. So let's go ahead and open her up. Like you guys know, on my channel, I like to open up the wigs in front of you guys because a lot of times people don't believe me when I say I take these wigs straight out of the box. So yeah, here is the card. How does this open? Oh, okay, it slides out. So this slides off like this. Ew, it seems so fancy. I love great packaging. So, oh, the card is stuck. Let me fix that. I'm like, why is it not coming out? So yeah, this just comes out. You slide it out the bottom. Or I guess you can slide it out the top because the top seems to be open too. So here it is. You guys see that wave pattern? Bomb. So let's take her out of here. She is connected in a lot of different places. Popping tags around this thing. What you mean, huh? So I'm just gonna slide her out. Bam, there she is. She is here to slay, baby. I can already tell. I wonder, can somebody tell me what this is for? Because I really want to know. I see this in all of the wigs. So here's how it's packaged. You guys see that wave pattern? Oh my God, I cannot wait to put this on. So this doesn't seem very long. I'm not exactly sure how many inches this is. Probably like 20 inches or something like that. Go ahead and take this net off. And if you guys want to know, the reason why they put the net on there is just to keep the hair bomb. And then this part just helps shape the wig, of course. Oh, my allergies are going off. Oh, I feel it. It's tingling. My allergies, I mean, my nose is very sensitive to any kind of smell. So the lace is soft lace, because I know you guys want to know. It is soft lace. Here is the part. It needs work. Clearly, it needs work. That's not going to work for me, honey. It has the typical combs in it. It has this stuff that you put in shoes. I don't know why that's in here. And then this little comb in the back. Does it have straps? Okay, yes, it does have straps because I use straps, girl. I don't use combs. So here's the wig without me doing anything to it. I'm not going to run my fingers through it just yet. I'm going to go ahead and cut this tag off right here. It's attached to the band of the wig. So we're just going to cut that off. Bam. And the only thing is, I feel like once I start plucking the part, it may mess up like the curls. I don't know, honey. But we're gonna wear this as a middle part, of course. That's what I always do. I really, really like the lace on here, and it's very thin too. And it's like, you see it's like stretchy. That's always great. So that's a plus. I like that. What kind of lace is this? So I'll be right back. I'm just gonna go ahead and snip off this lace. So now you guys see that part. It's not even really straight or anything like that. So all I'm gonna do is get my tweezers and get to plucking. No, this is really weird. You know what would be easier for me to do? I'm gonna go get my eyebrow razor. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually just start pulling some of the hairs out. Just get like a little strand like this, wrap it around, and then just pull it out. If you do too much, you're gonna start seeing tracks. So I'm actually gonna stop in just a little bit. I just wanna get this last little section and then I'll be good. I'll be more satisfied. So it looks a little bit better than what it was looking like. You guys see that whole child. So what I'm gonna do now, see, this is how much lace parting you get. I don't know about that. I don't like that. But I'm not even gonna get like anything. I'm gonna just use this right here, this little powder that I already have on this brush. And then I'm just gonna wipe it across the lace underneath here. It's always better to put the powder inside of the wig than on top, because you know people like to go like this and go like, no, don't do that. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Got to Be Glued. A lot of you guys ask me how I adhere my wigs, and you guys see me use this. I don't understand some of the questions sometimes, and excuse me for being rude. So I use the Got to Be Glued Ultra Glued Gel. This is gel, it's not actual glue, okay? Some of these questions sometimes be killing me. So you guys already know what I do. Just watch. Ooh, I like it already. I like it already. I love the curls on this wig. Now, what I will say about this wig, the curls are very voluminous, and the thing that I like about it already is that it's very lightweight. It's snug on my head. It doesn't feel like it's gonna be going anywhere. Let me try to move that part over a little bit. Off top, the lace is getting on my nerves right now. Like, ooh, I do not like the lace. I do not like the lace on here. So I'm gonna try to fix some of this by putting in like some, I think I plucked too much. Definitely plucked too much. So I'm just fixing it by putting in some eyeliner to darken up that part a little bit, so it's not so bald. The wig itself though is really freaking pretty. Another thing that I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna do a whole bunch of baby hair in this wig, but I am gonna do like one little swoop from over here, possibly. Okay, you guys, so as you guys can see, this hair is bomb. Another one, I feel like DJ Khaled, another one. So these curls are absolutely amazing. They very much so remind me of like those flexi rod curls that I can never get, because I don't know how to flexi rod and do all that stuff. Child, don't know how to do all that. But you guys can see the curls. I have picked them apart just a little bit to make it a little bit more full. And if you are gonna comb it, please use a comb like this with the wider side if you are gonna comb through your curls, and kind of like help give it more shape, to help it go in the curl pattern that it is. So that's the only kind of comb that I would suggest using on a wig like this. I would not use a rat tail comb with really small teeth, because you're going to completely mess up the curl pattern, in my opinion. The one con that I have about this hair is that it is a lot of flyaways in this wig. I'm not really a big fan of flyaways. I do not like flyaways. That's just me. So yeah, right now I'm just combing through the wig with the wider part of this comb that I have. And you guys saw how I did my waterfall. I kind of tried to show you guys a little bit. I didn't do too much baby hair on here. I just did like one here, and then one right here. I would have done another one right here, but the hair kind of covers that part, so it was like no point in doing that. So yeah. And then let me just, there we go. I just had to fix my hair because it was like sticking to my lip gloss. So I'm just gonna throw some earrings on real quick for the gang gang. Just some small hoops. I usually wear bigger hoops, but my bigger hoops are somewhere over there, and I just need some earrings for a moment. So let's get into it. This is Harmony 116 by Milkyway. So one thing I will say, the hair is extremely soft. I really love the body. I love the curl pattern in this hair, especially for us girls out there that don't know how to curl hair that well, at least not like this. Like, I don't know how to curl my hair like this. So this is amazing, and it has such a beautiful body wave texture to it. So I'll come in a little closer so you guys can see. And I love the ends to it. And even though I run my fingers through this wig, it doesn't get too crazy. But like I said, it does have a lot of flyaways. I don't really like a lot of flyaways, but you can always, like, you see how I'm like rubbing my hand on the hair, and then it helps get like that uniform back into shape. So there you have it. So I'll go a little bit closer for you guys so you guys can see what's happening here. I still don't like the lace parting on here. I'm gonna be honest, I don't like the lace. But other than that, like, if you can slay the lace part right here, you're good to go. So if you are interested in this wig retails for $27.95. $27.95. So it's actually under $30 for this wig, and it is absolutely worth every dollar, if not more. I'm gonna go ahead and put all the hair up front for you guys. And it does have a little bit of tangling, but nothing too crazy. So this is all the hair up front. Very full, very beautiful curls, very beautiful wave pattern. That's why I wanted to definitely do the waterfall, because I feel like it would really go well with the curl pattern in this hair. Like I said, it's just amazing. Like, and then if you want to make it bigger, you can make it bigger, but this hair is already big. I'm not going to make it any bigger than what it is. Like I told you guys, I have it in the color 1B. It does come in several different colors on the website. On Divatress.com, this wig comes in 6 different colors. I'm not sure how many colors it comes all in total, but I did pick this black one because, I mean, who doesn't want beautiful black curls like this? I think it looks absolutely amazing. It's perfect also for like Valentine's Day, as Valentine's Day is coming up. I think this is a great wig to wear when you're going out with your boo, and you don't have to worry about doing your hair. You can just go ahead, do your makeup, then throw on this wig and slay the frickin' day. I just have a couple of flyaways there. It also comes in burgundy and a lot of other, like, on the brownie type of shades on this particular website. Overall, the cons obviously is that I didn't really like the parting space. I feel like it should be a little bit more parting space. The other thing would be just like how frizzy it is. I don't really like frizzy hair and flyaways that much, but it is tameable. The pros to this wig is obviously the beautiful curl pattern. You can run your fingers through it somewhat. At the ends, obviously, you see how it's getting like a little bit tangled, but it's nothing too crazy. Actually, the more you run your fingers through this hair, I think the better that it gets. And it's really easy to style. It's a quick and easy wig that you can throw on. It's affordable. It's only $27.95 on Divatress.com, and that is an amazing deal because this wig typically retails for $60. So I would highly suggest, if you do like this wig, to go ahead and pick it up ASAP. So yeah, Harmony 116, go and get it. And until next time, bye.